Hello, today we have another tutorial. How to use PowerPoint. See this playlist to learn more about how to use it. So let's start.
And then create a new presentation, and then let's create a table. Just go first to insert, and then table, and choose the amount of columns. You can just click, or get into table, or you can draw a table, or an Excel spreadsheet. Here, let's try this first. Use it. First, let's change layout, blank, and design. Okay, and here you can see table design. You can design the table, and you can customize the table, and you can see the total row here. This one here, and here you can choose the shading. Here is it, and also here you can choose the border, and you can erase some things. I don't know. And the pen color, you choose it. But here, just say something. Blah 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 blah. You can see. You can say here. I will delete it. Let's go to insert and then table. Then you can draw up a table. I don't know what that means, but well, I guess you can draw a border. Here, let's go to table. Let's try to draw it again. Okay, I don't know why Microsoft added this, but let's know what is the best thing. Here, back to insert and then table. Let's insert an Excel spreadsheet. Just wait. You need to have a strong internet connection. Like I say, always. Okay, we need to wait a little bit. If we're doing it for the first time. Okay, this might take some time, but you can pause the video if you want. You can go doing using the feature or watching all by yourself. Here is it. Inside PowerPoint, there is an Excel. You can see the window is named PowerPoint, but here the thing that's in it is Excel. Okay, here I just make my table. So let's type something like I don't know. By the way, this space here, that is the table. These cells are the table, not this. The table. Here is side of Windows, and if you don't know how to use Excel, you can just see my playlists. And this type in Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows maybe 7, Windows 8. Here, it's even good or bad. Just like this. And here, it's even good. Oops. Good, bad. Oh, oops. Sorry. Good, bad, bad. And here, select all of these. And here, we go to inserts. And then click on table. My table has headers, and if I click on Ctrl Z, let's change the size, go to home, increase the size. Okay, uh, that was too fast. Whoa, let's increase the size of the cell, so A and B. Okay, here, power, you can save it, but I don't want to, and you can close. Okay, here, we need to save it, but I'm not gonna save it. So here I have open PowerPoint, and this is how you use tables and PowerPoint.